I'm here at the Starfish. I'm here at the Schwarzer Warfish. I'm here at the Schwarzer Wallfish. I'm here at the... Getting ready to have breakfast, and check out this menu. Looks like here on their specials they have a warm kuche, which I'm guessing is a warm breakfast or coffee. The restaurants here in Germany normally close down around in the afternoon. They're just like shut down. And so if you're hungry, you better watch out, man. This place smells pretty good out here. They have pretty good reviews. It's maybe about 2 blocks over and 3 blocks down from where I'm staying. Let's go inside and take a look and taste and see what this place has to offer. The darkened sky in its rage, but so I just ordered Wasser, which is water here. And in Germany, you get 2 kinds of water. You get sparkling water or non-sparkling water. Yeah, that's just a German thing, sparkling or non-sparkling water, or carbonated, if you will. So anyway, today I'm gonna have avocado toast with salmon. And so I saw one of the reviews online. They talked about this, and so I'm definitely excited about getting it. The way they serve their sparkling water here is it's in a small container. It's a tiny container. So if you're thirsty, you better let it go for a while. Their sparkling water. The white bird dreams of the aspen tree. Normally I do not do my water with lemon. But this here was a little lemon slice inside of some sparkling water. So think of it as Sprite without the sugar. Thank you. Okay, thank you. So breakfast is here. I'm ready to dig in. White bird must fly, or she will die. White bird must fly, or she will die. The sunsets come, the sunsets go, the clouds float by, and the earth turns slow, and a young bird's eyes do always glow. And she must fly. So this breakfast is a light breakfast. It's not fried, it's not covered in sugar, and so it's a very healthy breakfast. So salmon, avocado, onion, and again, it's just a really healthy breakfast.
It wasn't until I was looking at this scene during editing that I noticed that I was subconsciously adapting my style to the German style. What do I mean by that? You see, unlike most Americans, Germans use eating utensils in the continental style, meaning that they do not switch the fork and knife between hands. Instead, the fork remains in the left hand and the knife in the right hand.
This will help offset what I'm going to eat later today. It's going to be schnitzel, pommes frites, and a lot of other stuff that's probably not great for my arteries. But hey, I'm in Germany. Might as well have a good time, right? See you in a bit.
One of the funniest words, blame on Hogan's Heroes. One of the funniest words that I hear in German is Jawohl, jawohl. Anyway, so this German walks in, sits next to me, he's like, hello. And I tell him hello.
few seconds later, the waiter comes up and they get into a very deep, guttural German conversation about ordering. It says, Jawohl!
Jawohl! Jawohl, Herr Kommandant!
Schultz and Hogan tea rolls. I love German. Sorely wish that I would have taken it when I was in high school.